Welcome, viewers. Today, we're diving into the lap of luxury as we explore the wealthiest neighborhoods in Miami. From exclusive islands to historical enclaves, these areas redefine opulence. Let's get started. Our first stop is Fisher Island, a prestigious enclave in the glistening waters of Miami. Spanning 216 acres, it's Miami's richest neighborhood, known for exclusivity and elegance. Real estate here ranges from $2 million to a staggering $40 million, offering breathtaking waterfront views and luxurious amenities. Nestled in Biscayne Bay, Star Island has a rich history hosting celebrities like Sean Combs and Enrique Iglesias. With an average home price of $30 million, it's a lavish sanctuary for the wealthy elite seeking unparalleled grandeur and style. Known as the Billionaire Bunker, Indian Creek is a 300-acre island housing notable figures like Julio Iglesias. With property prices from $14 million to $47 million, it's an oasis of privacy and opulence, defining grandeur in Miami's real estate scene. Coral Gables, home to over 20 consulates and the University of Miami, stands out with an average home value of $1,302,243, showcasing its exclusivity as a highly sought-after residential destination. La Gorce Island, with a median listing home price of $6.3 million, combines luxury, comfort, and accessibility just a short drive from Miami International Airport, offering a blend of historic and modern homes. North Beach, stretching along the exquisite coastline, boasts diverse attractions and a population of over 43,000. With an average home value of $435,504, it's a coastal haven appealing to locals and tourists alike. Hammock Oaks and Lakes offers luxury living with direct waterfront views. Priced at a median of $7.5 million, it's a sophisticated community with proximity to shopping, dining, and nature. The Venetian Islands, with waterfront properties and a median listing home price of $2.3 million, offer lavishness and breathtaking vistas, creating a sanctuary between Miami and Miami Beach. Camp Biscayne in Coconut Grove, with 21 opulent homes, carries a rich legacy and a price tag of $1.55 million. It blends heritage, elegance, and natural beauty, promising an extraordinary experience. Our 10th choice is Hibiscus Island, a paradise for the privileged few with average mansion prices reaching $14.7 million. With just 394 residents, it offers exclusive waterfront living. Moving on to Coconut Grove, Miami's oldest area, known as the Grove. Spanning lush greenery and a glistening coastline, this village offers a tranquil escape with stunning waterfront properties and elegant estates, typically falling within a median price range of $2.25 million. Situated southwest of downtown Miami, Pinecrest entices with its serene surroundings and picturesque landscapes. With multi-acre home lots and an average price reaching $3.6 million, Pinecrest provides a tranquil escape and an alluring haven for those desiring affluence and serenity. The Upper East Side, one of the earliest suburbs, blends old-world charm with contemporary allure. With diverse property options, including elegant homes and luxurious beach resorts, the average property price in this area stands at approximately $1.0 million, making it a sought-after destination for homebuyers. Key Biscayne is a captivating island village nestled among the azure waters of the Atlantic Ocean. With pristine sandy beaches and an average home price of $2.1 million, Key Biscayne remains an undisputed gem along Miami's stunning coastline, offering a haven for those seeking serenity and an affluent coastal lifestyle. Our final destination is south of Fifth, a small yet exclusive enclave at the southernmost point of Miami Beach. Renowned for its lavishness and allure, SoFi boasts opulent condominium towers with home prices averaging between $1.5 million to $2 million. For those seeking a luxurious lifestyle paired with prime beachfront proximity. That concludes our tour of Miami's wealthiest neighborhoods, each offering a unique blend of history, luxury, and breathtaking views. Which neighborhood would you love to call home? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exclusive content. Until next time.